Hi, Claudia here. I'm going to do a video on how to make a strap for this purse. There are pictures in the PDF, but I thought this would be more informative. I'm not just going to show you the one strap made out of rope, but I'm going to show you a humo strap, can I say that? And a braided band, and all the options you can use. Okay, so this is going to be a very short rope because I just want to demonstrate. I'm going to tie there are 3 pieces here. For the purse, we're using 4. Okay, so here you got a knot here. All you need to do is start twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. And you can't see it, but you know. Here I am twisting. I got the other part in my mouth, as you can tell. So, you keep twisting it until it starts bunching up on itself. Okay? Twist, 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 twist. Here. Oh, don't fall asleep on me. This will be over soon. I'm going to stop it a little shorter than I should. But once it starts to kink up a little, that's when you know you're ready. And then you take it and you find the midpoint, fold it in half, and then you let it twist around on itself. Now, as I didn't do this one very tight because I didn't want you to have to sit here all day and watch me do this. And then you tie the other end, and voila, you have got yourself a rope strap. Is that fun or what? As I said, this was kind of a little sloppy because I did it fast because I wanted you to see it. Let me show you the actual strap that we're going to put on our purse is this one. I started with 12-foot length pieces of yarn, and my strap is just trying over my shoulder. It's way longer than I need it to be, so I'm going to figure out what you really need to do. You can do less than that unless you want some leftover rope. Okay, so that's the rope version. But there are other things you can do. One thing I love doing is I love weaving straps. This one's made out of silk and pearl cotton. And in fact, we now have a kit for you to make this strap. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I would probably want to put this in my purse. Although the rope is great too. Just, if you have some extra time. And this did take a while, but it was so meditative to make the strap. Just so much fun. I love weaving straps. And then we have Kumohimo braids. Yay! Kumohimo braids. Now, I had made a really nice long flat one. Here's my flat Kumohimo braid. I love them too. Yes, you notice I don't have a pattern here. I'm just using strands of silk and just blending colors. So it's a flat braid. You can see it's flat. And I like that too. Now, we do have a round braid that we made on the round disc. You can make a round braid on the square disc too, but it's hard to make a square braid on a round disc. Hey, the discs are cheap, what can I say? So here's the beautiful little round braid. That's not long enough for the purse. I'm going to turn that into a necklace, I think. Nevertheless, that was great to make too. And then I have this one, which is done with pearl cotton and silk. And again, we have a kit for this. And this one I made a flat braid. And I have to tell you, this is a not very neat one. I don't know why. It's a little bulky. I still like it. And I could easily use this for a strap for a purse. This is a work in progress. Still working on it. All these other options for making a strap. Yeah, look at all the straps. Here are all the straps. Yay. Oh, that have dance. All the other options for making straps you can buy on the website. Or you can just do the rope for now, which is what we're going to use to finish ours. Have fun.